morning reset meditation. Sit in a comfortable position. Make sure your body is upright. Your shoulders relax. And take a slow, deep breaths. You can keep your eyes closed if you choose to keep it open. Keep your eyes gazing into the horizon. And follow the ebb and flow of your breath and breathing cycle. With each breath, you relax it even more than before. If any emotion, thought, or memory at this point arise from the unknown, don't try to fight it. Acknowledge it. And if the feelings get too intense, look into the right and exhale. Now, ask yourself, how do I want to move through today? What are those qualities that I want to embody through my day? Now, I want you to set one intention, one single attainable goal that will help you today. I want you to feel it in your body, how that intention will help you today. Now, visualize yourself moving through your day with that calm and discipline, knowing that you are unshakable. Experience these feelings for a few seconds. And now, like it's not shaking, let's be shaking. Feel the energy from your head settle into your heart, and the energy from your heart settle into your abdomen. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes.